Dear Moby, what are invasive species and how do they affect the Everglades? From Miss Sentinel's class.
An invasive species is a species that doesn't come from where it's currently surviving. Take the Burmese python, for example. It's been surviving and invading the Everglades since 1979, but it's originally from Asia.
Invasive species like the Burmese python can be harmful to the Everglades by eating native animals and/or plants, which destroys the food web. These problems could result in the downfall of the Everglades.
But how did invasive species get here?
Invasive species can come from many circumstances, but the biggest way is the exotic pet trade.
The exotic pet trade boomed in the 80s. The exotic pet trade was the illegal trading of pets from countries or region. After they traveled the ocean, they are traded for other exotic animals. Then irresponsible owners release their pets when they get bored of them or they get too big. These pets end up in the wild and terrorize the Everglades. This map shows the region reaching from northern India to China where the Burmese python natural habitat is located. The arrow shows how the Burmese python traveled to the Everglades, all the way in America on the other side of the world. Here are some examples of native and invasive species in the Everglades. Under the native species, we have the alligator Florida panther and the snapping turtle. On the other hand, under invasive species, we have the Burmese python, cane toad, and green iguana. Other than ruining animals' lives, they can also ruin humans too by bringing animals to other places that they don't belong in. They can bring dangerous diseases that can have a big effect on humans' health. Well, guess that's the end of him.